Assalamualaikum and welcome to SMK Seri Hartamas. My name is Zuhara Iza and I will be your host on today's episode for Hartamashin TV. Today, we are here to interview our fellow students as well as our teachers and announce the exciting events that are happening here on our last day at SMK Seri Hartamas. Today, the school is filled with excitement as our students are having their last day of school for this academic session. But not only that, SMKSH here is hosting a Gotoryong Chiga Edis event on our last day of our academic session. We are here to spread the awareness of dengue and cleanliness to defend against it. All right, hi. Can you give me your name? Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Arshini. I'm from Tiga Gige. Now, at least.
Now.
What else do you want?
Okay, so a question for you. How do you feel being a Form 3, knowing that once school open backs up, you're going to be Form 4? How does that feel?
Crazy. That's like the only word to describe it. Crazy. It's so nerve-wracking, and I mean, I've been with these people for 3 years. They're practically so much more.
Family.
Yeah, practically family. So much more than just like classmates. We've been through the ups, the downs, everything. We've seen the best and worst of each other. It's so sad, but I'm also so excited. You know, new chapter.
Excited to see what
Yeah.
the future has in store for you.
Yes.
Okay, well, I wish you the best of luck and see you next term.
See you next term.
Okay, bye. Hi,
Hi.
my name is Zuhara Iza. So, what's your name and introduce yourself?
I'm Sarah Alyssa from 5 Neptune, and I used to be the night emergency doer for the Pengawas PSS.
Alright, okay. So as a fellow from 5, you reached the high ends of the high school life. And recently you've been taking your SPM. So by any chance, do you have any advice that you would like to give to the next batch as well as the juniors here at SMKSH?
Well, I'd say it's really important to learn how to divide and balance your study time and your fun time, but also you should step out of your comfort zone every now and then, because even though it's really comfortable inside your little bubble,
Yeah.
life is so much funner when you get to actually know the people around you.
Yes. Okay. Try to make more connections in high school, right?
I used to have that problem. I used to be really shy, but now I have a lot of friends.
Alright, well good for you. And I wish you the best of luck for your results as well as
Thank
SPM.
you.
Hi, my name is Zara Iza. Cikgu, can you introduce yourself?
Hai, Zuhaira. Okay, nama cikgu Zamzalina. Cikgu dekat sini dah 3 tahun. Tapi untuk tahun ni cikgu dalam jawatan kuasa keselamatan 3K sekolah. So selain daripada combi, cikgu juga cikgu untuk keselamatan untuk bomba juga. So kalau untuk combi ni cikgu punya tanggungjawab adalah untuk memastikan kawasan sekolah sentiasa dalam keadaan bersih, okay, dan selamat daripada wabak denggi. Okay, so semua murid dalam sekolah ni memainkan peranan penting, okay, untuk memastikan sekolah sentiasa dalam keadaan yang bersih lah, okay, untuk memastikan kita pun bebas daripada penyakit. Okay.
And Cikgu, do you have any future hopes for the future of the dengue team and Chombi team?
Ya, Okay, salah satunya cikgu nakkan ada team lah jika cikgu still jadi cikgu combi. Okay, cikgu nak ada team bersama dengan guru lain dan juga murid-murid lain lah untuk memastikan team combi ni aktif juga. Okay, dan memastikan salah satunya kalau kita tengok dekat dalam sekolah ni kita ada program kebersihan kelas untuk setiap minggu, betul tak? So itu salah satu kesedaran murid-murid sekolah ni untuk memastikan keadaan kelas sentiasa dalam keadaan bersih dan bebas daripada penyakit wabak lah, wabak denggi ni.
Alright,
Okay.
Cikgu. Wow, that's a lot of responsibility.
Ya.
Okay, thank you, Cikgu.
Welcome.
That wraps up for this episode on Hartamashin TV. After a long day of cleaning, celebrating, and bidding goodbyes, the students and teachers are now packing up to return home. SMK Seri Hartamas will now be taking its break until the new academic session arrives. I am your host, Zuhaira Iza, signing off. And I want to say goodbye to those who have made it this far. And I want to wish the best of luck to the Form 5s. And to the students, I guess I'll be seeing you until the new term arrives. Thank you and goodbye.